Go, Gracie! Yeah! Well done, Gracie! This way.
Good job.
Eve, give us a wave.
Evie! I just been on that.
Was it good?
Awesome. I don't
You
think
got
she's
the
gonna reach
photo
it.
pass card.
Swear on the list.
Oh, did he scan hers?
You been on any rides?
We've been on this, and on that, and then on the slide.
Do you want to go on it again?
Wait for Evie then, yeah?
We're going way to the side for Evie because she's next on this. Look, what? Go on, Eve!
They've had to wait for ages because there was a little girl going across who was terrified, but rather than just saying, get off.
It's like, what's that program? You're going to watch the TV program.
Come on, Eve.
Oh, easy!
See your tongue? Good girl.
Uh-oh!
Well done. Oh. So close.
Time out. That's it, innit? We'll splash out. Total wipe out. There you go.